Welcome to the kingdom. If you're here to make $200 within 15, 30 minutes per day, this is the place for you. This is where I'm going to teach you how to break this cycle of poverty that's over you and that's over your family. This is the kingdom. This is where we prosper. This is where I teach people of faith how to become financially free. Right now, we're in the market. It just opened. And we have a heavy drawdown in the Dow. I want it to come down to here. We have a big push for some reason, but we're only down 80 points. I want this Dow to drop another 30 points, and I will get into it. That's the NASDAQ, pushed up a little bit. It doesn't even want to fall, so I might take this as a starter position. This is a 5-minute chart. I really want to wait for the next candle because I do feel that this will drop more. Yeah, this definitely looks like it's going to drop more. Let's see this NASDAQ. This took off. Let's see if we can get up to the 35. That's a huge candle right there, that 5-minute candle. We have another candle coming in a minute. Look at that. These aren't giving me the entry that I want. So when we feel this way, we're just going to be patient. Look at that turnaround. I can't catch it. I said I should have got in, but I wanted to come down here further. I might have missed my entry, but we do have to be patient. Wow. Unbelievable. I'm going to get ready, and there's what I wanted. So I'm going to go in my 4. We're in 4 contracts. Oh yeah, this is taking off. I should have only went in 2. But I thought we would have a big down push. So we're down $800. If it goes down, let's see if it hits over 1,000 loss. There's the 1,000 loss. There's the 1 minute. I'm gonna, from 1,000 down to 400. I wanted 4 more contracts. Ugh. Well, there's our 200. Let's see if we can get below that black line. Let's look at the Dow. Yeah, I missed out big time on that. Big time on that. I'm up $1,000. I'm up. I'm taking. Yeah, I don't want to go under 1,000. Do not get me under 1,000. There it is. Oh, so I'm gonna take 1420. I just took $1,420 out of the market. We are 5 minutes into this. Everybody saw what just happened. I was down 1,000, turned around to be up 1,400 in 5 minutes worth of work. You do not make 1,400 on your job per week. We did it in 5 minutes. This is the kingdom. And this is how we do it on this side of the town. You remember what God said. He said, seek first the kingdom and everything else will be added unto you. This is still dropping. That's easy $2,000 right there. That was a beautiful move. Yeah, we could have played this. See, on this, I wanted it to drop just a little bit more, but it wouldn't do it. And look at that run. So nice. We missed out on some big money right here. But wow, we missed out. Should have kept it in there. Should have kept it in there for the next candle. We have another 2 more minutes for the next candle. But that's fine. I'm taking 1,400 in 5 minutes all day long, every day. If you want to be a part of this and you want to learn privately how to do this, I am here to teach you. Reach out to me and let me know that you're interested in day trading. Thank you for watching, and this is The Kingdom.